Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, the place where we make fun of the morons we see out here on the road. Now you've got this Toyota Prius turning right, and then you've got the idiot in the white Audi who just turned right into the Prius. The Prius didn't cause the accident for a change. We do show miracles on this channel. Well, he's in an Audi and we do know that stands for another useless driver inside. So from another useless driver on the inside to another useless driver, but this time on the outside, you've got this clip from Mo. Going round the roundabout. Now we all know that we give way to traffic from the right at the roundabout. Well, not this idiot who just pulls out in front of Mo. Idiot has got the IQ of a goldfish. He's so dumb he thinks Taco Bell is a Mexican telephone company. I'd be surprised if this next idiot in this transit van even knows how to use the telephone. He certainly don't know how to use the level crossing. He just drags the barrier off of him. And here's another retard that fails to grasp the concept of self-preservation and what a level crossing's for. As for this next idiot, he don't even know what a cycle lane's for. Look. Big massive queue of traffic. This idiot in the red car just thinks he's going to use the cycle lane as his own private undertaking lane. Look, what an absolute retard. He hasn't got a birth certificate. He's got an apology letter from Durex. What a plank. This clip here from Big Olive and they're stopping at the red traffic light. But the entitled Audi driver doesn't stop. Not on your Nelly. Just goes up there, does a right turn across the chevrons where he's not meant to and carries on. He could be special needs. Well, never mind about special needs. The only thing you need to do is keep distance between you and him. And another idiot you always need to keep distance from is a Toyota Prius driver when he's coming down the wrong side of the road in the wrong direction. That driver's so stupid, the only time he's going to be asked for sex is going to be on an application form. Now, if watching these idiots we've just watched has made you feel nervous about driving, you can always get on a bus there safer. Well, it is unless you're on this bus who's driven by a driver who's got the visual abilities of a kitten with his head in a sock. As you see on the side of the bus, it says, see you in 30 minutes. Yeah, that's the message from the job centre. Okay, so you got this clip from Ed, and we're standing on the theme of the big red bus with this one here. Now we're approaching this traffic light. Traffic light's turning to red. Unfortunately, the bus driver suffering from colour dyslexia doesn't see that and goes straight through. I wonder how many mental conditions that bus driver's got named after him. Okay, so as you can see, there's police tape across the road and there's a police woman waving her arms in the middle of the road. But that's still not enough for the Uber idiot to notice. Sails straight past the police woman who's waving her arms like she's signalling the plane and straight through the police tape there. What an absolute idiot. He's got the visual capability of a sperm tadpole was still inside of a dog's scrotum. And there's the green roundel of dumbness and danger in the window, which shows that he's fully licensed by Transport for London to do this stuff with passengers on board, for God's sake. But to be fair, this driver's got a lot in common with Superman. Superman had brilliant eyesight, supervision in fact. He needs psychiatric supervision. What an absolute retard. Got this next clip from Andy and you'll find him on @AndrewFruity on X. And as you can see, you've got two Uber idiots here. There's one there in the Kia Niro with the IQ of 0. Yeah, and then you've got the other one there in the Toyota Prius, the standard weapon of choice there. Look at them, look. Absolutely brainless. Both their parents were tool makers because they made the right pair of tools there. Speaking of tools, this driver is a proper garden tool. Look what he's done to that railing. Look, all by himself. No other cars involved. How do you do that? As you can see, he's in the Kia Niro, again with the IQ of 0. We can see patterns developing here for these Uber idiots. But here's the shocking thing. There's a passenger. The passenger's still in the car. You'll see her in a minute. Look at the front of the car, look. There's the green roundel of dumbness and danger, showing that they're fully licensed by Transport for London to go and do this thing while paying passengers. Unbelievable. That driver there, his life must be like a never-ending escape room game where he never ever manages to find the door. Just goes round in a confused state, like looking for a way out. And there's the passenger in the back. Look, I don't think that driver will be getting a good rating today, will he? Got this clip here from HMO23 and he's just approaching this junction, lets the bus pull across him, and the idiot behind the bus goes through as well. That car driver's brains are about as much use as the letter U and E in the word Q. Got this clip here from Mary V, and nothing unusual to see here. A couple of mentally challenged parents have loaded the car up too much, go on holiday or wherever they're going, and forgot that they got the kids. They've had to shove the kids in the boot there. And unlike the car, which is overloaded at this moment in time, the parents definitely haven't been overloaded with an abundance of learning or common sense, have they? The parents might still be together, but their brain cells definitely ain't holding hands, are they? Got this clip from Bob65. Watch this idiot in this Renault van towing this trailer. Look, nearly takes out Bob, nearly finishes him. I think we need restrictions on drivers whose parents are first cousins. Got this next clip from Ludmil, and he's on Oxford Street waiting to turn right along with everyone else. Well, everyone else apart from this Uber idiot in the Kia Niro with the green roundel of dumbness and danger in the window. Shows he's fully licensed by Transport for London to drive around London in a substandard fashion, causing havoc for everyone else. And today is no exception to the rule. comes up the outside, gets in front of everyone else, can't be bothered to wait for the red light, so just drives through. That driver's brain is the equivalent of an unessential vitamin. Got this clip from Andy. He's been following this Uber idiot in the Blackfold Galaxy. There's a no entry sign there. You know what he's going to do there, obviously. And he's actually been driving with no lights on. There is stop lights, you can see. There you go. Foot comes off the brake. No lights. It's amazing how he actually gets through a day with his brain eternally stuck in battery save mode. Got this clip here from Musa, and he's stuck behind this idiot because he wants to go left, so he just sits in the middle of the road and turns left and then changes his mind. That idiot's got a brain like cheap Wi-Fi, runs really slow and the connection keeps going. And then you got this idiot here on the wrong side of the road. I don't know what his mental condition is, but I guarantee whatever it is, it's hard to pronounce. And I present to you this week's Darwin Award nominee. But this isn't just going to be a normal Darwin Award for this idiot here. Oh no, this is going to be a Darwin Award with honours. He's going to have letters after his name. 4 letters in actual fact, beginning with C and ending in T. This Darwin Award nominee bus driver has definitely excelled himself today. And as you can see, there's a couple of people still up there on the top deck. Mind you, the shock they're in, they're probably not even sure if they're on the top deck, the bottom deck. They probably don't even know what their own names are at this moment in time. That bus driver's suffering from 2 conditions at once. Diarrhea of stupidity and constipation of intelligence. Got this clip here from @King61B in your final minutes. And this is a little bonus clip really, just to brighten your day up. That white car was just stowed into the side of that little blue car. It's an NSL vehicle. You know, the one with the cameras on the top. Go round, get you nicked for parking tickets and other offences. Yeah, that's him. Couldn't happen to a nicer bloke, really, could it? Anyway, let's have a look at some idiots on some bikes. Okay, so first on our bill of fare of 2 brain cell idiots is this individual here. Now, to be fair, he may have had some sort of incident with a bus driver. We don't know. In that case, all you need to do is call the bus driver a name, make a hand gesture, and ride off. Now, I'm not going to take the pee out of this idiot too much, because as I said, maybe the bus driver did do something wrong, so maybe encouraging this sort of behaviour. But what it does show us is that God definitely has a sense of humour, and if his parents see this, they'll regret not using contraceptives. Another clip here from Moose when he's sitting at this red traffic light just waiting for it to turn green. There you go, he can go now. Well, you can't go when there's an idiot who's got the intelligence of a used tea bag who just rides straight in front of you. Guaranteed that idiot's name is Monday because no one likes him. Got a clip here from Ludajar28 and they're waiting for the traffic light to change green, same as Musa was, but it doesn't matter because there's another retard who rides straight in front of you. Or are people always this stupid, or they just save this level of stupidity for special occasions? Got this clip here from Ed and he's just going down past Buckingham Palace, which is on his left there, and as he does so, the royally retarded idiot just pulls in front of all the traffic there. And that cyclist's parents definitely conceived him on the motorway because that's where the majority of accidents happen. Got this clip here from Seth and he's going through the Rotherhithe tunnel. There's a 20-mile-an-hour limit through there, and everyone always gets impatient behind you. Bit like these pair of idiots with room temperature IQ who just sail down the pavement there. Their parents obviously never gave them a slap when they was young, and the reason they didn't because they didn't want to be done for cruelty to animals. But this clip here from Barry Boone, he's just approaching this crossroads here, and then from the right comes the idiot with the brains as useful as a paper hammer. Another line bike rider with the intelligence of a wooden spoon. Got this clip here from Ali G. Now look at this idiot here, squeezes between them 2 buses, and then his mate comes along behind him, even worse, does the same, but as the other bus is moving. The last time I see something what had their level of intelligence, I was flushing it down the toilet. Okay, got this clip here from Jack D. Now keep your eye on that car there with his left turn indicator on, because the idiot who come up behind him on the bike definitely weren't keeping his eye on anything, as he just goes straight up the inside of a car with his left turn indicator on as it's approaching a left turn. Some babies fell on their head at birth and got permanently damaged. That idiot, I think, was thrown at the wall. Got this clip here from Seth and he's going through the green light, but he can't go because there's an idiot with the intelligence of one of Kim Kardashian's butt implants just rides in front of him. Another idiot what suffers from permanent brain fog. Well, that's it for this one, everybody. Thank you so much for watching to the very end. If you like what you see, do me a favour. Please hit that little like and subscribe button down below. It really does help me out. Thanks to everyone who sent in video clips. Really appreciate you guys. What we're looking at here is a lovely old Porsche 911. About a 1988, so about 38 years old. Absolutely stunning classic old car. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks again for watching. Have a good weekend and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.